Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to flip image in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, first you need to open presentation, and after that you need to select the slide where you want to insert a new image. So for example, I select the first one slide, and then I need to go to Insert tab, I need to go to Image Settings, and here I need to click on Upload from Computer. Then I need to select image which I want to upload. So for example, I select here this one image and I click Open button. How you see, our image has been successfully added to presentation. So now we need to go to Format Options and we need to open here Size and Rotation settings. After that you will be able to find here Flip Settings. So the first option will let you to flip it horizontally. So it is the effect of this action. And this option will let you to flip the image vertically. So if I will click on it, you should see here this effect, yeah? So how you see it really works. If I helped you to flip image in Google Slides, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.